Today on JiffyWiz, Hermione Blockhead. What is it called? Blocks? Lego head blocks? What are they called? Brickheadz. Coming up. Welcome to JiffyWiz, where we make magic. My name is Andy Sharp. If you're new to this channel, think about subscribing. Hit that bell if you want reminders. We do new videos most every single Monday. Do you notice I said most? Because I have not been good at that. But I'm getting back on track. And today we're going to be doing the Hermione Granger Brickheadz number 51. There's three of these that I know. One's Harry and Hedwig, one's Dumbledore and Ron, and one is Hermione. She's a solo one, so we're going to build her today. If you want to check out the other video of Hedwig and Harry, it's up there in the description there. Otherwise, let's get started. There's the front of the box, ages 10 plus, Hermione Granger number 51. There's the size of the bricks there on the right. The bottom has pretty much nothing special. The side of the box here is Hermione Granger picture, I think from the Sorcerer's Stone, and nothing special really over here. The back of the box has a couple of the other ones you can get, Hermione, Hedwig, and Harry Potter. And how to open it. You press your little thumb in there and pull it open. I believe this one has 2 sacks of bricks in it. There's one and there's the other. Of course, it comes with an instruction booklet with some guides and an advertisement on the back. So I'm going to show you some cool bricks that I found. This is Hermione's dress and her wand. She also comes with a little tie, 3 eyes, and a book for, it looks like, Wingardium Leviosa. Flick and swish. All right, let's get started. There's the final version there, Hermione. I love these little things. They kind of have this dead look into their eyes, like they're like looking into your soul, but have none themselves. So the Lego Brickhead Hermione Granger has that wand and the little, a little book with the Wingardium Leviosa spell there, and shit. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you next week. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you'd like to follow me on social media, I'm at JiffyWiz. I also have a Etsy store with Harry Potter inspired art for sale. Check that out in the description below. If you haven't already, make sure you guys subscribe right over there in that green dot. We do new videos every single Monday. I hope to see you guys back here. Mischief manage.